Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the engine's splash shield on a Nissan Altima. First, gather your essential tools: a floor jack, 2 jack stands, and a 10mm socket wrench. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine has cooled down completely. Then, carefully lift the front of your Altima using the jack and secure it firmly with the jack stands for safety. This preparation is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Now, let's remove the old splash shield. Get under your Altima and locate all the fasteners. You'll typically find around 10 10mm bolts and several plastic pushpin clips. Use your 10mm socket to remove the bolts and a trim removal tool for the clips. Work systematically around the perimeter. Once all fasteners are out, carefully lower and remove the old, damaged splash shield from beneath the vehicle. With the old shield removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new engine splash shield underneath your Nissan Altima. Take your time to align all the mounting holes on the new shield with the corresponding holes on the vehicle's frame. Once aligned, begin reattaching the 10mm bolts and plastic clips. Start with a few fasteners to hold it in place, then secure the rest, ensuring a snug fit. You're almost done. Before finishing, perform a thorough check of all the 10mm bolts and plastic clips. Make sure every single fastener is securely tightened to prevent any issues while driving. Once you're confident everything is secure, carefully lower your Nissan Altima from the jack stands. Finally, give the new splash shield a quick visual inspection to ensure it's properly seated and not dragging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.